In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a Gitignore file when you're creating a new repository on GitHub. This is a crucial step for efficiently managing your code, as the Gitignore file tells Git which files or directories to ignore in a project. This can help keep your repository free of unnecessary files and ensure that only the essential components of your project are tracked. To start, let's navigate to the Create Repository page on GitHub. Once you're logged into your GitHub account, you'll find the New button in the top right corner of your dashboard. Clicking on this will take you to the page where you can create a new repository. Here you'll see a form with several fields that you need to fill out. Begin by entering your repository name in the designated field. It's important to choose a name that clearly reflects the purpose of your project, as this makes it easier to find and organize later. Below the repository name, there's an option to add a description. While this is optional, consider including a brief description of your project to provide context for others who might view it. Next, you'll have to decide whether you want your repository to be public or private. A public repository is visible to everyone on the internet, which can be great for open source projects. In contrast, a private repository ensures that only those you invite can see your work. Choose the option that best suits your project needs. Now you'll see the option to add a .gitignore file, which is the focus of our tutorial today. Check the box next to Add a .gitignore to reveal a drop-down menu of templates specifically designed for different programming environments and platforms. You might notice there are several templates to choose from, such as Node, Python, Java, React, and Visual Studio Code. These templates are pre-configured with common file types that you typically want to exclude from version control in those environments. Select the template that's most appropriate for your project. For instance, if you're working on a Node.js application, choosing the Node template will ensure that all the Node modules, logs, and other unnecessary files won't clutter your repository. Similarly, choosing a Python template will exclude several Python-specific files and directories from being tracked. Once you've selected the right .gitignore template, take a moment to review your choices. Double-check that all the repository details are correctly filled out. Finally, you can proceed by clicking the Create Repository button at the bottom of the page, and there you have it. GitHub automatically adds the Gitignore file to your new repository based on the template you chose, helping you to streamline your version control process right from the start. By excluding these unnecessary files and directories, you maintain a tidier and more efficient repository, all by just adding a Gitignore. Thank you for watching and happy coding.